Hello guys, today we are going to solve this question. In this question we are asked to find the roots of the following equation. The equation is basically a quadratic one, which means the highest power of the equation is 2. So the highest degree of x is 2 and thus we call it a quadratic equation. Now in a quadratic equation we have a simple formula for directly finding all the roots, which are basically 2, because whatever will be the degree, the number of roots will be same, right? So I've already written you down the formula which we have to use in this question in order to get the roots. This formula is also known as the quadratic formula, or you can say Sridhar Acharya formula. It basically states that if you have ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we can directly get x by the following relation. So you understand the essence of this equation, because we are directly going to plug in the values which correspond to the coefficients and we are going to get the answer just like magic. So the given equation, we can directly write it as 4x square minus 4a square x plus a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 equals to 0. Now we need to do nothing but just to put the values. So what will be x? X will be equals to minus of b, which is minus of minus 4a square, plus minus, give a big square root sign because we are going to write a lot of things here. Firstly, b square, which is minus 4a square whole square, minus 4 times a, which is 4 itself, right, times c, which is a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Complete the square root sign and divide this whole thing by 2 times a, which is 2 times 4, which is 8. Now this simplifies as 4a square, and notice what happens inside the square root. This thing becomes 16a to the power 4 minus 16 times a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4, right, which simplifies as 16b to the power 4. Now what happens if you do 16b to the power 4 under the square root? Obviously it becomes 4a to the power 4b to the power 2, right, that is 4b square, which is very simple. So we have 4a square plus minus 4b square whole divided by 8. Now 4's cancel off and you have get the roots as half a square plus b square and the other root as half a square minus b square. And that's all. It was easy.
Thank you for watching. So please download the Breatter Maths app, which is given in the description. It is a mathematical app where you can find all the necessary statistical calculators like chi-square calculator, one variable means, population means, t-value, and much more. You can also find calculus related calculators like integration, derivatives. There is a section where you can find what's coming up next. There is a section completely devoted on mathematical notes where you can find notes on probability, statistics, calculus, and many more are there to come. In those notes we have already explained all the examples, all the problems and theory, and we are just covering the video lessons and solutions of those here. You can check that out. Also you can see the video solutions in a separate section where you can understand and give a feedback on what to expect next. You can ask for a problem, you can ask for a theory section as well. So please do check it out, and also do subscribe to Breatter Maths app and also its YouTube channel.